Rookie costs at Auto Loans Finance Company are 20% over budget due to IT resources logging excessive time. This is because management is not able to oversee IT resources day-to-day work. Hi, my name is Lynnette Mullen, and I'm going to show you a solution to help us in IT management oversee that work and help reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction, as well as improve our associate engagement. IT costs have gone up year after year from 2020 at an accelerated rate. I've compared this to industry averages where you can see that even considering industry averages and inflation, that our IT costs are soaring. You can also see that project work is taking majority of the time and how support and enhancement work are also growing steadily. In addition to that, our customer and associate satisfaction scores are trending downwards. Our customers complain about cost and time to market, and also about our time estimates that don't meet their needs. They also complain about quality issues, which ends up leading to increased support costs. Our associates complain about prioritization of work and managing work-life balance. In addition, they feel stuck and having to manage a lot of dependencies between teams as well as vendors. So why isn't the IT management team able to oversee the day-to-day work? It's because the work is not visible. Today, we have an IT service management system called ServiceNow that does a great job with helping us understand change management, support configuration management, but lacks the ability for us to prioritize and manage work. There's many types of work that aren't able to be consolidated into one prioritized list. For example, my team in the Drive value stream has 8 different types of work in ServiceNow. In addition, there's also work that is based on projects that is not in ServiceNow. Many IT managers resort to copying work in ServiceNow over to Azure DevOps in order to prioritize that work and work through the workload for the team. But this creates administrative problems. This will also help us when we have visibility into all of our team's work to eliminate waste. As you can see by this graph done by the Standish Group that 30% of project work is estimated to be zero or low value work. 45% of that work is also staff delivering work that's not going to be used or rarely be used. By having visibility into that, the IT management group can help prevent that work from getting into the system. If we consider that the time that each resource might be with spending on wasteful work and take that 8 hours per week per resource, that can equate to about $135,000 a week or $7 million annually. Also, it will help us right size IT staff if we understand what's wasteful work and not. The counter argument to this is our staff might feel like they're being micromanaged, but we would have to carefully implement global policies to ensure that only work is managed and not administrative tasks such as meetings and training. By prioritizing work, we help go from a chaotic system, as you can see here on my left, to a more organized and flowing system, as you can see here. By taking out the excessive burden from our teams, in addition to managing flow, helping with dependencies, we're able to streamline that process and help improve costs, improve customer satisfaction, and improve our associate satisfaction scores. Our next steps are to ask management for funding to help us get integration between those two systems, ServiceNow and Azure DevOps. For $140,000, we'll be able to create a configurable integration between the two systems that will allow each IT delivery manager to configure their own business rules depending on how their team works. Training will also have to be implemented. We would utilize the existing Agile Center of Excellence to help us train delivery managers to all understand how to manage work and prioritize work in our systems. By managing the work and directly addressing costs, customer satisfaction, and associate satisfaction scores, we're making sure associates are our most important asset and listening to them for what they're reporting year after year on their satisfaction scores. Thank you.